the first practice problem with Charles' law that I made a mistake when I was going through the math, so I wanted to show you this done correctly. So this will be a short, sweet video. So let me read the problem again. What would be the resulting volume of a 4.8 liter balloon at 10.0 degrees Celsius that was placed on a container of dry ice at negative 78 degrees Celsius? All right, so remember we've got, let's try to put it on the pen first. We have T1 and V1, T2 and V2. All right, so let's identify each of these first. So our first temperature is 10.0 degrees Celsius. My first volume is 4.8 liters. My second temperature is negative 78 degrees Celsius, and my second volume is unknown, so that's what we're solving for. Remember, we have to turn our temperatures into Kelvin, so we add 273 to each one. So now this makes it 283 Kelvin, and we add 273 to our second one. That makes it 195 Kelvin. All right, now we can plug in our formula. So T1 over V1 equals T2 over V2. So all we have to do is just plug in our numbers. So our first temperature, 283 Kelvin over 4.8 liters is equal to 195 Kelvin over V2. So that's what we're solving for. So we're going to cross multiply. So this is where the mistake was. Let me make sure I do this right. So now we have 200, let's make this 283 like it's supposed to be, not 28K. So this should be 283K. Okay, so back to the problem. So we have 283K times V2 equal to 195K times 4.8 liters. All right, so I'm going to divide each side by 283K. That way my V2 can be on this side by itself. 283K. Those cancel out. The K's cancel out on this side, so what we have left is liters. So I know my second volume unit of measurement has to be liters, and when I calculate this, this gives me 3.3 liters. All right, and of course, if we want to do this with significant figures, this is in significant figures because I have 2 sig figs here in my answer, and I had 2 sig figs in my first volume. Here we have 2 sig figs. We have 2 sig figs, so we're good there. Okay? Sorry about the mistake. Just wanted to show you it done correctly. All right. Thanks.